Vessel clearance is a complex recurring task. It involves streams of back-and-forth communication between chartering managers, captains, and brokers using email systems like Outlook, Remark, and Zedna, and other systems like Q88 and IMOS. Currently, it looks like this. With Complexio that changes, Complexio automatically detects a clearance. Complexio automatically compiles all the documentation in a draft email, doing all the manual, behind-the-scenes work. The final decision and control stays with the user or chartering manager, who just needs to check the details and send the email. Complexio analyzes complex recurring tasks to learn complex recurring patterns that can be automated. Let's break down the magic. What you see here is the user's own email inbox. Complexio's natural user interface works invisibly in the user's normal workflow, understanding when a task, like vessel clearance, is being requested. It compiles all the necessary documents automatically as a draft email. It does this by processing and understanding all email texts and documents in our foundational AI system. This computation is done behind the scenes and requires no new training or applications to be accessed by the user. If we enter the graph database, we can understand how Complexio works. Complexio has not just generated one email. Behind the scenes, it has mapped and understood the entire process by ingesting data from all the systems and tools, like email and Q88, that a chartering manager uses. Here we can see all the specific clearance items requested in brown, and the emails associated with those requests in blue. The sequence of events for one clearance are in orange. By creating these connections in the data, Complexio identifies recurring patterns and learns from them. Complexio automates many of the most time-consuming steps of vessel clearance inside the user's existing workflow. There are no new systems to learn, and the user remains fully in control. Vessel clearance is just one small part of the overall process of a tanker shipment, which is one small part of the overall operations of the business. Here, the green dot in the middle represents a single shipment with just a fraction of the emails, activities, and action items that Complexio has identified for it. The aim of foundational AI is to build these relationships and connections between the data so that we can holistically understand how an enterprise carries out its business activities. In granular detail, automating vessel clearance is the first step in understanding how to automate complex recurring tasks in the whole chartering process, and beyond chartering to processes across the whole shipping industry.